Guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment of some engineering colleges or universities. So the first college where the recruitment notification is published is of National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli. It is in Tamil Nadu. The advertisement came on 25th of August 2021. They are hiring for assistant professor grade 2 on contract, pay level 10, NCPC 70,900 per month to 98,200 per month, pay band 3 with academic grade pay 6,000, and grade 2 pay level 11 in 7 CPC 71,000 per month to 1,17,200 per month, pay band 3 with annual grade pay 7,000. Important dates, that is the portal has been opened on 25th of August 2021 and last date is 24th of September 2021. Last date for submission of hard copy is 4th of October 2021. Next notification is of NIT Pondicherry. They are hiring for teaching position for assistant professor grade 2 on contract. They have entry pay level 10 and 11 as per 7 CPC, pay band 3 with academic grade pay of 6,000 and 7,000. They have total number of seats 8, SC1, ST3 and AWS 4. The last date for submission of soft copy of application form in Word and PDF is on 11th of October 2021 5 pm. Last date for receipt of hard copy of filled application with all necessary documents through a speed post or registered post only 18th of October 2021. NIT Pondicherry is not responsible for any postal delay. They have mentioned that. So regarding NITs, you have to visit their official website and go on notice section. You will get everything there. Next is Jamia Millia Islamia Jaminagar, New Delhi. They are hiring for guest teacher and assistant professor on contractual. Application on the prescribed application form are invited on the engagement of guest teacher or assistant professor contractual in various department or center for academic session 2021-22. The application form may be submitted in the concerned department or center of Jamia Millia latest by 24th of September 2021. Means you have 4 days. Remuneration, they have given assistant professor contractual on consolidated salary of 67,000 per month, and guest teacher under regular courses 1,500 per period, subjected to maximum of 50,000 per month. Guest teacher under self finance courses will be paid 1,000 per period, a maximum of 50,000 per month, subjected to availability of under the said program. The vacancy is various engineering departments. For Department of Electrical Engineering, total 2 assistant professor contractual vacancy. Qualification they have mentioned BE Tech, BS and ME Tech, MS or integrated MTech in relevant branch with first class or equivalent in any of the preceding degree. Second is in Faculty of Natural Science, 2 assistant professor contractual vacancy for geography and 3 guest teacher vacancy for geography. 2 assistant professor vacancy for contractual unit in chemistry. Then humanity and language, they have 1 guest teacher vacancy for history and culture. 1 assistant professor is for Department of English. Then 1 assistant professor vacancy is for Sanskrit. Then social science, 3 assistant professor for political science and 3 guest teacher vacancy for political science. 3 guest teacher vacancy for Department of Psychology and 1 guest teacher for Sarojini Naidu Center for Women's Studies. Qualification for the post at serial number 2 to 9. 2 to 9 means from Faculty of Natural Science to Faculty of Social Science. You must have master degree with 55% in concerned discipline from Indian university or equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. PhD degree in accordance with UGC minimum standard and procedure for a part of MPhil and PhD degree regulation 2019. They have mentioned PhD degree must be in regular mode. PhD thesis has been evaluated by at least 2 external examiners. Open PhD viva post of the candidate has been conducted. He has must do research paper from his or her PhD work, out of which at least one is in referred journals. That's all important things. And PhD degree has been obtained from foreign university with ranking among top 500 in world university ranking by any one of the following: either it's QS or the Times Higher Education ranking or academic ranking of World University of the Shanghai, Jiao Tong University. That's all important things. So you can apply in this college also. Next vacancy is in CK College of Engineering and Technology. They are hiring for the post of assistant professor for English, Mathematics, MBA, Computer Science and Engineering. Eligibility criteria they have mentioned: must have master degree with valid NET or SET score and completed PhD for English and Mathematics. English fluency is mandatory. For professor, they have vacancies in civil and MBA. You must have PhD with minimum 10 years of experience, minimum 3 years of experience post PhD, means after PhD you must have 3 years experience. Having sound knowledge of NBA and NAC accreditation process. And next vacancy is for administrative officer. Eligibility criteria: having sound knowledge in ICT approved process, university affiliation process, DOTE, student approval process and admission counseling process mandatory. Some graphic designer vacancy is also there. For that eligibility criteria is minimum 3 years of experience in professional commercial design, preferably with marketing or creative agency. You must have graduated in design, fine arts and relevant field is mandatory. Sound knowledge of Photoshop, Illustrator and multimedia presentation, excellent communication skill and ability to work and methodically and meet deadlines. And next vacancy is for physical director. For that eligibility criteria is PhD. So you have to send your resume on recruitment@ckcet.edu on or before 26th of September 2021. Next vacancy is in PPG Institute of Technology. This institute is affiliated with Anna University, is in Coimbatore. They are hiring for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in department. For science and humanities, they have vacancy in for English 1 vacancy, mathematics 1, physics 1 and chemistry 1. Second vacancy is computer science and engineering. For that total specialization ME, you must have CS with computer science. And next vacancy is in electronics communication specialization. For ME they have requirement. Then for applied electronics 1 and ME VLSI 1. For biomedical they have some vacancies and mechanical also. So for applying here you have to send your resume within 10 days to ppgit@ppg.edu.in. Some arts and science college also have vacancy for assistant professor for commerce and computer science, and business school have vacancy for associate and assistant professor. Qualification required is as per ICT and Bharatiya University norms. Application may be mailed within 10 days to ppgbs@ppg.edu.in. So that's all about today's vacancy. So you must like the video and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed until now, and share it with your friends. Thank you.